Your body is made to move, and it's made to move in multiple directions. So let's take plank pose and make it more than just something that we hold. You can certainly build a lot of core strength, stability, build a lot of full body strength using plank pose. But there's a lot of different variations that you can bring into your yoga practice when you're doing plank pose to challenge yourself, provide some additional support for yourself, and maybe make it just a little bit of fun. So today what I wanted to do is give you 25 different variations that you can try with plank pose in your yoga practice. My name is Heather. On this channel, I make videos about yoga, strength training, flexibility, and nutrition. So let's get to it. So the first thing here is to come into your plank position. So plank is going to be with your hands on your yoga mat, on the floor, on your exercise mat, wherever you're doing this. Your shoulder is stacked directly over your wrist, okay? And then you step your feet back, engage your core, engage your leg muscles, gazes down to your mat, down to the floor between the palms of your hands. So you've got this plank pose here, right? And that is to try holding that for a minute. That's going to help build a lot of core strength, a lot of full body strength, okay? So that's where we're starting from. So from plank, your option, so you got plank as number one. Number two is just bring your knees down, okay? So this is going to provide some additional support for you. So if you're trying to come into plank pose and maybe you're just not feeling it, or you're like, okay, I've had enough, but I feel like I got a little bit of juice left in me, come down onto your knees and finish up your plank. Number three is your bear plank. So we come into a tabletop position, come onto your mat, your shoulders over your wrist, hips over your knees, tuck your toes, lift your knees 1 or 2 inches up off of your mat. Hold this pose here, okay? That is your bear plank. Number four, any one of these plank positions that we're going over today, you can place a yoga block or a Pilates ball between your thighs and squeeze the heck out of it to challenge yourself just a little bit more. That's going to help engage your core muscles, help engage some of your leg muscles. So come into plank, tabletop, bear position like this, come into your plank. I'm just really holding that ball or the block in between your thighs. That's going to help engage those muscles. Number five is a forearm plank. So come into your plank position here, lower down onto your forearms, okay? So from forearm plank, you can do plank up and downs. You can go up, down, and then on the other side. And then after you come back up, number seven is shoulder tap. So in your plank position, tap your right palm onto your left shoulder, left palm onto your right shoulder, all the while trying not to turn your body. Hold your core stable, hold your spine stable, trying not to move side to side. So that's your shoulder taps. Number eight is body saw. You can come into a standard plank or your forearm plank, come down onto your forearms and move your body back and forth. Rock your body back and forth, coming onto the tips of your toes and back onto the ball of your feet. 9 is hip dips. Come into your plank position, dip your hips over to the right, come back to neutral, dip your hips over to the left, come back to neutral. You can do this on your knees as well, over to the right, over to the left. Next is plank jacks. I'm not going to double these for you, only because I have arthritis in my foot, and it's very possible for me to break a little bone in my foot by doing this. But the way you're going to do this is you'll come into your plank and you're going to jump out like you're doing a jumping jack, okay? So both feet are going to come out. My left foot is where I have the arthritis, so I'm only demoing the right foot there. Number 11 is going to be just the singular foot taps then. So you come into plank, tap your foot out to the right, out to the left, out to the right, out to the left, or you can lift your foot up. So you're doing individual foot taps. Number 12 is inchworm. So from plank, you're going to walk your feet in, and then you can hop out or walk your feet back out into your plank. Or what you can do is walk your feet back to your feet, come up into stand almost like a burpee, come back down onto your mat, walk back out into plank. So that's inchworm. Number 13 is bird dog. This is one that you can do on repeat, or you can hold. So you'll extend your right arm out in front of you, lift your left leg. Ooh, that's hard to do. Lift your left leg. You can hold that, or you can do that on repeat. Number 14 is a plank to downward facing dog. So if you do plank, come to downward facing dog, take your right palm, reach to the outside of your left foot. Come back into plank, downward facing dog, left palm comes to the outside of your right leg. Come back to plank. You can repeat that multiple times. Number 15, you bring your knee in towards your elbows. So from your plank, you lift your right leg, bring your right knee to your right elbow, bring your right knee to your left elbow, and then bring your right knee in towards your chest, really pulling your right knee in towards your chin, towards your nose. You can repeat that on your left side. Number 16 is mountain climbers. So from your plank position here, you'll do your mountain climbers, really bringing your knee in to your core. You can repeat that as many times as you would like. 17 is a plank walk. So you can do a plank walk either to the side like this. So if you've got room in your studio, in your gym, wherever you're practicing, you can do plank sidewalks, but you can also go forward and backward. Hard to do while I'm talking. Number 18 is where you'll need a piece of equipment. You can use a yoga block, your yoga ball, your Pilates ball, or even a small hand weight. This is where you're going to do some pull throughs. So set the block off to your right side, come into your plank position, say hello to Cole, and you'll reach through underneath your right shoulder, pull the block through, come back to plank, reach through, pull the block through, all while trying to hold your body straight. You don't want to tilt side to side. You probably saw me doing it. It's because I'm working on this too. Number 19 is a side plank. You can do this. You put your hand on your block or on your mat, come into your side plank, reach your right arm up. You can leave your knee down on your mat or extend your foot all the way out to the back of your mat, your exercise mat. You can come onto your wrist, or if you'd like, lower down onto your forearm. Same thing here. You can support yourself with your knee or come into your side plank. From your side plank, you can do some side plank crunches. I'm going to support myself here. You can have both legs out towards the back of your mat. Side crunches, bring your top elbow in towards your top knee. Do some side crunches. Then we also have some side plank hip dips. Come into your side plank, lower your hip down, come back up. Lower your hip down, come back up. And you'll do that on both sides. Number 22 is side plank thread the needle. You can come into a supported side plank or a full side plank. Extend your top arm up towards the sky. Inhale, exhale, reach your top arm underneath your bottom shoulder, reaching through to thread the needle. Inhale to raise up. Exhale, thread the needle. You can do this with your knee down on your mat or extend both legs out to the back of your mat. The next option here is to place the palm of your hand on the back of your head, top of your neck, and it's the same motion here. Inhale to open, exhale, crunch your right elbow or top elbow down. Inhale, raise your elbow up. Exhale, crunch, bring your top elbow down towards your mat. Number 24 is your reverse plank. So you'll come onto the palms of your hands. I like to do this with my fingertips pointed in towards my hips. Extend your legs long in front of you. Press your hips up to a reverse plank. And then number 25 then is from your reverse plank is to do some individual leg lifts. All right, so those are 25 different ways that you can bring plank pose into your yoga practice. You can provide yourself some additional support. You can challenge yourself. You can try out different things and really feel how this is going to help make your body, your core, feel more strong, more stable, and just feel like the badass that you are. I do have a whole playlist where I go over various yoga poses and how you might bring those into your yoga practice as part of your wellness, your fitness routine. Check out those videos, subscribe to my channel, and maybe send this video to somebody who you think might find it helpful. Let me know in the comments below which one of these variations you're going to try in your next yoga class.